Fix iOS 26 beta is not available. You can see there is not available, but this phone is available iOS 26 beta. I'm using iPhone 16 and iPhone 11. So how to fix this issue? For that, open your Safari browser and type here developer Apple, and then you can see the F1 developer option. Press on this, then press on this two dotted line, go to accounts, and you can see the Apple developer option. Make sure you are using same email address that I am using from here, like that, this email address. Then log into your Apple ID with email. So once done, then you can see this kind of interface. And now go back to your setting again, and now if you press on this icon, then you can see the developer option is available here. If you press on developer 26 beta, then update now press on update, and then your phone will be updated with latest iOS 26 beta. If video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.